Hi guys, a quick fix video for nomacs and so many other applications that are coming from the AOR. If things don't work because of updates, you have to build these packages again. So yay, nomacs is what we have. There is different versions, AOR, the Git version and the Qt6, which is the one I'm gonna follow probably because of the fact that it also works on Wayland. So one thing to rule them all basically. And so yeah, you have to rebuild things. Now I've done that for you, right? But you always have to think about two things. There is on your system something called SUV, right? Very strange thing. It's a car, not really. SUV is where everything is located. Pacman's lines here. And the var cache pacman packages is where it's going to get the packages. Normally, a maintainer on the AOR is going to set the number higher. So here it says 22871. It should say 2. If it says 2, then up all or command to update everything and everything there is to update, right, on your system, including AOR. Then he'll know it and he'll build it for you. But many do not. So they keep the same number. It's like year-round, this exact same number. But if you build it, sometimes the number changes and sometimes it doesn't. That's the case in this scenario. It doesn't change. Now, how to get nomacs to run on your machine? I've built it again on the exact same number. So by default, pacman says it's the same number, so I'm not going to install it. Then you do the following. So in the future, maybe it's a good idea to clean out the cache, and that's this thing, the cache directories, var cache pacman packages. If you say Ctrl+Shift+C, ls, Ctrl+Shift+V, that's all I've got in there now, right? I cleaned it out. And then I say, never mind my own packages, don't use my own package because that won't work. Use the one from the internet. So when I do this, I remove everything. When I look at my content, it's gone. The folder var cache pacman package is completely empty. And now anything we've built is coming from any repo, right? We are talking about ArcoLinux repos here, but anything that's related, well, that's you can install, you want to install, will come from the internet, from the repos, and nowhere else. So these guys, these three, all of these three guys work again. If you don't need to uninstall, do you need to install? I would uninstall it anyway. And just be sure, so remove anything that's available. Check out what do I have on my system, that version, that version, that version, 3 versions possible. Remove it. It's gone from the system. Then I would do the sudo pacman -scc. Yes, sure. Yes, sure. And then I'll go get the other one. So this one changes into S, and off it goes. And immediately you see that's gonna work. All right. But it's not just about nomacs. It's about the reasoning. It's about how an application like pacman works. He's going to grab things from the cache, and if it's wrong what's in the cache, you get the wrong result again and again and again. All right, cheers.